Hey y'all, DJ the Diva back with part 2. You guys, what you want to do is you want to get 2 tablespoons of Argo cornstarch, add a little less than a 1/3 cup of water, whisk it with cold water, whisk it, make sure there's no lumps, no bumps, and everything is dissolved. After you take your apples out and you put them in your pan, you pour the starch solution into your sauce, and it thickens the sauce up and makes it oh so beautiful. Can you see the pourability? It's like syrup. Watch it stop and drip. That's what you want. That's what you want. Your syrup will look like this because it's super seasoned. That will be for marinades. And it looks like this before I'm putting the top on. So we're just going to put that over just like so. Mold it to the sides as we want it to go. And then we're going to put just markings from like our fork all through there so there's no air bubbles. Everything cooks thoroughly and evenly. And that, my dears, is how you make semi-homemade apple cobbler. Did y'all check out the juice? The juice, honey. Let me show you one more time before I close it up. Look at that juice. That's what you want. When that gels down and cements with those apples, honey, your man's gonna be looking at you like, what you want, what you need, whatever you want it. All right, so I'm just playing with the crust, but I love you guys for tuning into my channel. Please subscribe if you have not yet done so. Give your girl a thumbs up for support, a comment in the comment section below so that I can give you a personal shout out. And check out my other videos while you're here. I try to make most of my videos 10 minutes or shorter. However, there are some like my room makeover and room tours where I have to tell you guys everything I bought and where I bought it from and why I'm placing it, where I'm placing it, and the idea I got and all. I got to give you part of my brain. So it takes a little bit longer. But I hope you guys, look at that. Now I'm going to put that in the refrigerator. I'm going to spray the top with some cooking spray, the buttery kind. Put some aluminum foil over that and put it in the refrigerator till I get home from work. I love you guys to life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Okay, if you have any comments or suggestions, do it in the comments section below. I love you to life. Have a wonderful, safe, and happy holiday. I want to see you on this side of heaven after that holiday is done. Okay? Mask, social distancing, wash your hands, stay home if at all possible. And no drinking, no driving, no drugging, no driving. Come on, y'all. The object is to live life and live it more abundantly, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. I love you to life. See you in the next video. Bye.